12 Accountancy Lesson 2 Accounts for Not-for-Profit Organization. Introduction. Some organizations are established for the purpose of rendering services to the public without any profit motive. The very name suggests these organizations are not for profit. That means their main aim is to render services to the society. That is their main aim. That's the first point. Your question may be asked in 2 marks. What are not-for-profit organization? What do you mean by that? Like that they can ask. They may be created for the promotion of art, culture, education, sports, etc. For what reasons these organizations are started? Not-for-profit organizations are started. The main reason is to promote art, culture, education and sports. For that purpose, these organizations are created. These organizations are called not-for-profit organizations. They are otherwise known as non-trading organizations. That means they do not indulge in trading activities. They do not indulge in any business activities. Examples for these organizations are charitable institutions, educational institutions, cultural societies, sports and recreation clubs, hospitals, libraries and literary associations. These are the examples for not-for-profit organization. For these organizations, profit motive is not there. Their main aim is to render service to the public. From where these organizations raise funds for their functioning? Because a question may be arise, no? That is, how these organizations will run if their motive is not for profit. So they get funds from these sources: donations, grants from government, subscriptions from members and legacies. So these are the main source of funds for these organizations. These funds will not be kept idle. They'll be invested in some investments. From there also they get some income. A question may arise, that means these organizations will not get any profit at all. Not like that. They will also get profit, that is called surplus here. The entire surplus is used for the benefit of the society. So this is about accounts for not-for-profit organization. So what are their features? These organizations functions without any profit motive. The second feature is their main aim is to provide services to the general public. The third one, they don't undertake business or trading activities. That's why they are called non-trading organizations. Their main source of income includes subscription from members, donations, granting aid and legacies. Like any other organization, at the end of the accounting period, namely 1 year, these organizations, according to Indian Companies Act 2013, Schedule 3, they should prepare final accounts, which consists of the following. Number 1, receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. That means the final accounts consists of 3 parts. Number 1 is receipts and payments account. Number 2 is income and expenditure account. Number 3, balance sheets.